Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family of Dealerships, and today let's go for a drive in this 2021 Ford Bronco Badlands. And I cannot believe this, but it has a 7-speed manual. Up until this point I had no idea that the new Bronco comes with a manual transmission, so I'm so blown away by that. It's so cool. it's awesome. It just makes it like 10 times cooler to me that it has that. Ride height is, pretty high in this car. You can use this for off-roading and all kinds of stuff like that. Very adventurous vehicle right here. You do have rear seats, but this is the two-door version. Not much room back there. I definitely can't fit back there. Headroom is fine, but legroom is pretty cramped. But a smaller person could definitely fit back there. So parking brakes over there. Let me turn that off. To put it in reverse, you hold the release and then pull it back. There's your backup camera. There's a good amount of play in the shifter, and the clutch is pretty light, but it's it's a big rig. It's like a truck, so not more than you can expect. It has a EcoBoost 4-cylinder, and I believe it has 270 horsepower. Let's go take a look at this car. It's finished in this like cactus green color. I don't know the actual name, but it reminds me of like cacti green on like a Corvette or something like that. It's a really, really cool vehicle right here. I absolutely love this thing. It has an aftermarket exhaust, it looks like, this one. Here's your trunk space. It's got like a hydraulic piece right there to open it. With the spare tire on there. Yeah, check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you want to check out some other cool cars like this. I'm just so blown away that this has a manual. I can't believe it. I don't know how I never knew this. I'm obsessed with any car with a manual transmission. I think any car with a manual is cool in my book. I daily drive a manual BMW M3, so I'm obsessed with manuals. This thing is not, it honestly has more than enough pickup for daily driving, when you want to go off-roading. I think there's like a crawl feature right there, C. I think that's what that is. Yeah, for like daily driving, more than enough, but this thing is no speed demon. But it's pretty quick for what it is. But honestly, regardless of the horsepower, any car with a manual transmission makes it more engaging, it's more fun. But blind spot's a little hard, because like that rear window's kind of small. What I do find interesting though is in like Broncos, I wonder why there's like a big echo in the cabin. Like when I'm talking, I can hear my own voice like echoing off the walls. It's kind of weird. But yeah, there's a lot of play in the shifter, that's for sure. But I love the shift knob. I don't know if this is stock or not. If it is, it looks really cool. This thing is so cool. Man, I would love to have a car like this. This thing is awesome. A lot of wind noise in here. Makes sense for the kind of vehicle it is. Yeah, you can take off the top. You want to do a top down, driving in the desert or something like that, or you just want to put the top down. It's kind of cool. But I like the versatility of this truck. Really, really cool. I'm just so this is such a cool experience to drive a manual like this. I've never driven an SUV with SUV or like a truck with a 6-speed, so it's just really, really cool. Actually, no, I have. I've driven a Wrangler with a 6-speed. That's what I drove. It felt exactly like this. Same kind of driving experience in that. I wish there was a little bit more heft to the clutch. It's just really light. The clutch is real light, and and I just wish there's like a little more shorter throws. Like there's just so much play in the shifter, so you can shift into the wrong gear pretty easily. Yeah, I'd love to try this car off-road, you know? It would be so cool. I can only imagine how fun this thing is off-road, especially with that. It's so cool. Yeah, this would, if I wanted an SUV, I would definitely get something like this with a manual. The tachometer is not an actual gauge, it's like a circular gauge. It's just like this little meter over there. Oh yeah, this thing is so cool. I absolutely love it. If someone pulls up in a Bronco with a 6-speed, you're like, dang, that's a cool car. You automatically are cooler if you have a Bronco with a 6-speed. If you have a Bronco with a 6-speed manual. Yeah, there's a lot of wind noise in this. It would probably get old after a while with this amount of wind noise. If you have like a long commute on a highway or something, obviously a manual becomes annoying in traffic, and also in like on a highway. If you just keep driving on the highway, you're gonna get sick of that wind noise. It's a lot of wind noise in this thing. Big pothole, but this car can handle that pretty easily. Yeah, overall impressions of this car are just awesome. Looks cool, has a manual. I wouldn't get an automatic of this, but with the manual, regardless of only having 270 horsepower, it's very engaging. You can have a manual with 50 horsepower, it'll be more fun than an automatic with 150 horsepower. You just are in control of the vehicle. That's what makes it so special, right? But anyways, that's about it. Thank you for watching another video of Dhruv Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and check out the link to Grubb's family of dealerships in the description below if you would like to check out other cool pre-owned vehicles like this. And I will see you on the next video.